Hi students, let's try to understand question number 6 of NCERT electricity. A copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm. So see student, 1 meter is equal to 1000. This is the millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to, it will be 10 power minus 3 meter. So this is the copper wire student. I am mentioning like that. And they are saying diameter, if they are talking about 0.5 mm, means diameter you can write 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Resistivity they have given student, resistivity rho 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Since it is the meter, that is why I changed the diameter. What will be the length of the wire to make the resistance 10 ohm? So R they have given how much student? 10 ohm. What they are asking student? Length they are asking, that you have to keep in mind. They are asking the length. This is. So what the formula are you going to use student? R is equal to what is there? Rho L by A. This is the patent formula of it. Now what we can do here, length they are asking. So better you can write student, L is equal to, by cross multiplication you can get RA upon rho. You can write R, A means pi r square, upon what is the rho. Now you see what we can do. R value they have given 10, pi value 3.14, right student? And if you multiply this one, R square is there. So R means what is d by 2, that is going to be what student? Pi r square. So R means d by 2, total divided by rho. Rho value they have given here 1.6 into 10 power what is minus 8. Now let's try to solve it. 10 3.14 d just now we have done here, 0.5 0.5 into 10 power minus 3, and that's going to be square, and this 2 is divided by 2, total divided by what are there student, 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 resistivity. Now let us try to solve. 10 into 3.14, 0.5 multiply by 0.5 and multiply by 10 power minus 6. This 2 denominator will become 4. 4 multiply by 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. These are there. Now let's try to solve this one. This 6 and 8 going to be cancel out. So 10 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 0.25 divided by 4 multiply by 1.6 multiply by 10 power, what will be there student? It is going to be minus 2. Okay. Now what you can do here, what you can do, so 10 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 25 multiply by 10 power minus 2 divided by 4 multi 1.6 multiply by 10 power minus 2. So this now cancel out. Now what we can do student, these are not divisible, actually we have to multiply this all the things to get the answer. So now if I multiply the numerator this value, so what y got 785 and the 16 4 just 64, so 6.4. So how much is coming? 122.6. This is what student, this is the length. So answer we got the meter. So first part of the question we have done. Now we have to go for the second part. So what the second part is talking about here, you see student, let us bring this closer. Now what we can do, second part you see, how much does the resistance change if the diameter is double? So diameter, if you talk about diameter, whatever they have given 0.5 diameter, so diameter become 2d, right? Then what will be the, they are talking about resistance, same formula. R is equal to rho multiply by what, L by A, right? Same formula we have to use, rho L by A. So student, R is equal to rho value they have given here, there is nothing to do with this. 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter they have given. Unit I am not writing because unit ultimately it is going to cancel out. Length we have just now we have calculated here 122.6 meter. And A means what? Pi r square. Here if you see r rho A pi r square, this is there. So pi value already we know 3.14 multiply by r means what? That you can simplify rho A pi, r means what? D by 2 square, right? Now here they have second diameter become double, so pi we have to, so 2d by what, 2, and that is all going to be square, that is what become the radius, this one. So now r is equal to what is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 multiply by 122.6 divided by 3.14 multiply by what will be there, student? This 2 cancel out, absolutely getting cancel out. So what is the 0.5, that will become the square. So r is equal to how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 multiply by 122.6 divided by 3.14 multiply by 0.5 multiply by 0.5. So now we have to check out the what the r is going. So if you multiply the numerator, student, this value 1.6 and 122 point, so 196.25 multiplied by 10 power 8, and if you multiply this all, it is coming 0.785. So now r is equal to, we are multiplying this all, students. So students, somewhere we did the mistake here. This is the millimeter now, so this millimeter has to be converted into meter. So what we have to do is, student, 10 power minus 3, that will be square. So here is also 10 power minus 3, that is going to be square. So what it is coming actually, 196.25 multiply by 10 power minus 8 divided by 0.785 multiply by 10 power minus 6. This is going to be cancel out. So r is coming how much, student? This is coming 2.5. This is 2.5. R is equal to 2.5 ohm. Actually, student, what is the problem now? In the beginning I explained here. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So 1 millimeter is equal to 10 power minus 3. So here wherever the diameter is there now, student, this value is there. So what I did here in the second part, the first part is okay. In the second part I did not changed here, here this value na. So the 0.5 I have taken my square, but 10 power minus 3, the unit conversion also we need to take na. So if you take this unit conversion, so this is the answer is coming. Thank you.